I'm gonna add a little sparkle to our yellow. This is just the sparkle dust. It doesn't have any color to it. You can go in and do yellow, but I want to give them a little sparkle too so they're not flat.
You were feeling a little lonely.
They were looking a little dull. We want them to sparkle too.
Yeah, we want to sparkle.
And keep in mind, I'm doing this really fast because, you know, we're on a time crunch. I would be much more delicate and perfect if I weren't on camera. Okay, so we're going to take it and lift it up.
Palette knife.
Palette knife. And I'm going to put a little water on the back of this because I'm not exactly sure where I want it. So I don't want to put it on the cake until I've actually positioned it. So I'm going to put that there.
This is, again, eyeball.
Totally.
Put it wherever you want it.
Exactly. If you want to measure out, you know, your circle and put tick marks where each one would fit, you can do that.
Yeah, you go for it.
And I have done that with certain cakes. No, this isn't one of them. This is kind of a fun, just loose cake. I may not even use all my flowers. I'm just going to see how they fit, how I like them.
And we're looking at the back right now because it's facing you.
It is. No,
Yeah,
it's
that's
actually
okay.
facing you because the aloha is the front.
Aloha is the front.
See? I'm looking at the back. I'm looking at it upside down.
Okay. It's like the second layer of grass skirt because it'll look completely
It'll be
full.
filled in.
Yeah, because there'll be a second.
Yeah,
layer
this
there.
is. Oh, actually, I did put it on the wrong way. That's the. I'm sorry.
That's all right. That's okay.
I meant to put it so this was the front, but
Yeah,
I guess
I think they get it.
Yeah.
I get it, and if I get it, they probably
get it. Now, see, I may not use all my pink. I may just leave it with 5. And there is a theory in design, if you've ever studied graphic design, that you always go with odd numbers, never even. So, you know, if you feel that way, you can do that.
There's also a theory in cake decorating is make more than you need.
Yes, always have extra.
Always.
Now, I may, let's see, do I want to put that on there? See, I think that if I try to put this one on here, it's going to crowd this. So I'm not going to put that one on there.
Okay.
And then I'm going to take my blue one and I'm going to put it down here. Just as a little accent. And now we're not done yet.
Nice.
We still have our tiny little green flowers. And we have pearls, because everything's better with pearls. So we're going to take our little green flowers. We flip all those over.
These are the flowers you made with
the plunger cutter. And we're going to put them on here, just in little spots. I'm not going to put it on the green because I want it to pop off the blue. So I'm just going to put them on kind of a little, I don't like that one. That one had too much stuff around the edge, so I'm going to replace it with that one.
Putting a little water on the back.
I'm putting a little water on the back, just a drop, and I'm going to place it in there. All right, now I'm going to get a little royal icing, and I've got 3 different colored pearls, but I think I'm going to stick with the white pearls. And I'm going to put just a dab of royal inside the center. Is this going to come out? Yeah, there we go. Inside the center of each of the little, oop, that was not inside, get inside. There we go. A little tiny dot inside the center of each flower. And I'm going to get my pearls and drop them in right in the center. And then I'm just going to add some pearls kind of around in the parts that don't look quite filled, especially over here where I did not put a hibiscus. So I'm just putting a tiny little drop of royal and then adding my pearls on top. And again, these don't have to be precise, just where I feel like I need a little extra dazzle. There, I think we're done. What do you think? Think we're done?
I love it. Very colorful, very easy. Excellent. Thank you so much, gang. We'll see you at YummyArts.
Have a great day.